Welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Birmingham, and it's all new. We've got a new workshop here, we've got a new reception area about to be open, but it's not just TMD Motorhomes that are going through the changes. Adria are too, with this Compact Max. This one here is slightly longer than the original. It's on a Volkswagen chassis. It's the DL, which has got two twin single beds, Harry upholstery, habitation air conditioning, automatic. Have a look around, tell us what you think in the links below. We hope you enjoyed this video, but you should know by now what to do. Check out all our other videos across social media.